Street and travel photography is the tip that I have for you today. So it's all about this man and him appearing to be able to scale the side of a skyscraper. Now, when I saw this man walking below me in Tokyo, I got out my long lens and I photographed him, but I angled my camera slightly so that the perspective or the sort of orientation looked odd. It actually looked like I was photographing the surface of a building. I was photographing upward, but in reality, of course, I was photographing down. Now, if you can run into something like this in a big city where you can photograph from a high position lower on pavement or on concrete or on whatever the surface is, if you can avoid any distracting elements, it actually looks like the person's walking up the side of a vertical building. It can be really cool. Now, one thing that I will mention, take a look at the sides. We have right here, the side here and the other side. We always want to remove any element that would provide any sort of context or give away the fact that it's not a vertical structure. So I would simply go to Edit, Crop, and then I can maintain my crop ratio if I so desire, but I would simply crop in so that those two edges are not visible. Maybe something like this. And let's look at it in black. Okay, so there we have a really clean image. There's nothing distracting. There's no potted plants. There's no other people walking around. It's just one person, potentially, and this is the hope, is that it looks like he's defying gravity. He's walking along the surface of a building. Okay, it's a really simple tip, and it does usually require a long lens, like a long zoom lens. As always, have fun with your photography.